Last time we studied T and double T. Now we come to V and double V. تنزل مانجا T أو double T وأخذته وسأجد الخير V أو double V ده. V and double V are pronounced V. دوارا V أو double V سبب V आवाज़ ورقي. V either at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of words. V بدري वाला موقع تروكي أم بسار के أم पमास के أम पाखर के and double V in the middle of words only. लेकिन double V वाज़ी पमास के أو دوارا فقط رग ورقي. In Pashto-Dari we don't have this sound. Pashto-Dari की मंग दावाज़ नहीं लरो, उर्दू की मंग लरो. And Persian we have Farsi की मंग लरो, ईरानी Farsi. The fe पशान लिखी أو दरीटी की बसर और कई इधर sound well कीगी या खुशदे voiceless अरा vocalize दे हाँ examples for V the बारे में चलो ना at the beginning like vow, wake, vex and the middle like govern, advance, endeavor and at the end like rev, shav, shiv etc. And double V examples only in the middle like divi, savi, skivi, navi, chivi, civis, and fliver. Okay, exceptions. V is pronounced in Harenfug. Harenfug ke the V the आवाज the fe पशान आवाज वाली exception. Okay, that's all about V and double V. Next we have X. And X has 5 sounds. X is pronounced number 1 like Z, like Z. At the beginning of words and at the end of words in E A U X. At the beginning always. بس ترى كيف هامشة Z आवाज़ वाली. آخر के कल ची E A U X राशि. दिलता ده Z आवाज़ वाली Z आवाज़. Examples for X at the beginning with Z sound like Xerox, xylophone, xenon, xenophobia, xenotransplant, and etc. And for EAUX at the end like bows, tableaus, and jambos. And they are all plural nouns. That will jamari. Mufrad baghair dekh sakte bow, tableau, jambo. But plural bows, tableaus, and jambos. Note, X sometimes becomes silent after AUX at the end of words. ممكن كلا شيء آخر كي AUX راشي لزي آواز ورقي. وكلا كلا بآخر كي AUX راشي ده X silent كي كلا كلا. Like fupa, ghetto, flambeau. Here X is silent. Okay, second sound of X. X is pronounced X. X كأن س. And a kaf أو sin fa بخا. Ha. This sound in the middle and at the end of words. The आवाज़ पर मंज़ أو पर आखिर के वर्गी. And the middle like exercise, approximately, maximum, exhibition, and adin like perplex, fix, and smallpox. The second, third, and fourth words are usually mispronounced. Approximately, maximum, exhibition, approximately, maximum, yeah, exhibition. There's approximately, maximum, and exhibition. Third sound of X is X. And a gaf or Z. X sound. Only in the middle. Like example, examine, auxiliary, exhibit, exalted, etc. Fourth sound is Ksh sound. Like kaf in shin. And also in the middle, very few words like luxury, sexual, and also an XIUS and XURE at the end of words. کله چې د لغت په اخره کې XIUS او XURE راشي دلته هم د کش اواز ورکوي لکه anxious, noxious, flexure, fixture, etc. And sound number 5, gj. Gaf au j. Like luxuriant, luxurious, luxuriate, etc. Okay, the noun is luxury, but the adjective is luxurious. Luxury, luxury there. Luxury, this is luxurious. And then some exceptions. X is pronounced k and kusa. Mongol چې په سر کې د زی आवाज ورکوي لیکن د کاف ورکوي exception. And z and anxiety in the middle. په منځ کې د زی आवाज نه ورکوي خو د لغت کې ورکوي. Again, exception. Let's come to the meaning of words. لغاتو معنا ته برش. Okay, first V examples. Vow قسم خوړل VOW. And vague means ambiguous, majhul, غير واضح. And vex means to bother, zawrawal. And govern, hukumat kawal, advance, permaktak kawal, endeavor to struggle, koshish kawal. And rev is a kind of, it means to make an engine work faster. The motor machine is able to test car. And shav is a kind of spinach soup. The paloko soup there rakam agita shav way. And shiv is a kind of knife which is temporarily used as a weapon. Shiv daga shant chaqu tawi the wasli pais istemali ki khudaimi waslana ma qati چې کله مطلب یو وسله سړی سره نه نو دغه shiv well kigi. Okay, then we come to examples for double V. Divi means a stupid person, ahmaq insan, and savvy means practical knowledge or ability, practical ya amali ilm ya maharat. And skivvy means a servant who does dirty work. Skivvy come مزدور چې کور کې دا خشره او خیرن کارونه کوي مزدور ته سکیوي وایي. And navy is an unskilled worker, غیر ماهر کارګر لکه دا دیاړي چې کوي په مزدورو باندې دته مونږه navy ویلی شو. خو ډبل وي دی ښه یو navy یو وي سره بحري کوی دی وایي یو وي دی navy. And chivvy means to make someone do something hurriedly or quickly. یو کس باندې تادی کول مثال راځي شابه زر کوا شابه. This is called chivvy. And civvies means ordinary clothes, adi jame, غیر رسمی jame. And the next is flivver. Flivver means an old car. Zod motor ta flivver well kigi. Like this one. Kada se khane zod motor chi eta flivver way. بیا راځو د X مثالونو ته. Xerox is a photostat machine. The photocopy of a machine is Xerox وایي brand دی اصلا. Xylophone is a musical instrument. یو قسم موسیقي آله ده هغې ته xylophone وایي. This is the picture. And then we have xenon. یو کیمیاوي عنصر دی. مندلیف جدول کې سمبول X ಇದೆ. And what is next? Yeah, xenophobia. Generally, phobia refer to types of fears. Phobia ټول هغه ذهني ناروغیو ته وایي چې خلک د یو شي نه پکې ډارېږي. Like claustrophobia یو کس یو تنګ ځای کې د قید احساس کوي. یو څوک تورتم نه ډارېږي. دا ټول فوبیاګانې دي. Xenophobia means fear of strangers or foreigners. څوک چې د خارجيانو د نور هېواد خلکو نه ډار کوي یو قسم. That is called xenophobia. And xenotransplant is the operation of putting an organ from an animal in a human's body. هغه عملیات چې د یو حیوان د بدن غړي انسان ته پکې اچول کیږي. دته xenotransplant وایي. And bows is the plural for bow. The bow جمع ده actually کوم مفرد ده. Bow means boyfriend. And tableau is plural. Tableaus is plural of tableau. دا ده tableau جمع ده. tableau موږ تاسو فارسی کې مته tableau وایو یو نقاشي یا پینټینګ چی دا tableau وایي. And flambeaus is plural of flambeau. Flambeau the اور دغه مشال ته وایي like this. This is called flambeau. And then we have exercise تمرين approximately تقريبا maximum هذا أعظم exhibition نمائش perplex means to confuse كول fix ترميم أول smallpox is a kind of skin disease چيچك چورتوي بخشي چقر شي. And example مثال examine أزمايل يماينا كول auxiliary is a helping verb. Exhibit also نمائش. Exalted of high majesty لوی شان و شوکت لکه منګه الله تعالی شو الله عز وجل انګلیسي کې الله the exalted ویل شو. And luxury means خوشگذرانی خو وخت تیرول ساتیری کول عیش عیاشی. Sexual means جنسی. Anxious means worried پریشان. Noxious means زهرجن یا مضر به اصطلاح. And then we have flexure. Flexure is the act of bending something. Flexure way. And then we have fixture. It is an old-fashioned word. فانا لغة أظن استعمالي كم استقامة يا مستحكم والدوي. Oh. Then we have luxuriant gun like a booty chi garni pe uze ke diri. Luxurious is the adjective for luxury and having fun or enjoyment the waqt rawlo ya shay pore marbut. And finally we have luxuriate means there is the verb for that. There we have verb there to relax and enjoy. Relax kawal enjoy kawal. Luxuriate will. If there's any question, you can ask.
So many people pronounce the letter V like B sound. Actually, when they're talking, they say like the sound. Like
B.
Yeah.
Okay, B is completely wrong, of course. And some pronounce it. Yeah, and many people pronounce like W. Because before I told you in Pashto we don't have V sound. So when a sound is not available in a language, it becomes difficult for the native speakers to pronounce that sound. چې یو ژبه کې یو ساوند نه د هغې ژبې خلکو د هغه بیا تلفظ یې سخت کېږي نو زیاتره خلک واو په شان وایي ځکه هغه ته لږ نږدې دی د have په ځای have وایي I have to go to school for example but it is the sound. It is the place of articulation same like sound. مخرج عین د sound په شان دی د if په شان خو هغه voice دی د vocalize دی. We had a colleague in Peshawar when he would tell students about this sound, he would say, sing as if you are riding a motorbike. Why that's very motorcycle chalawai. So that is the sound. Any more questions?
No questions.
Welcome. That's enough for today.
Sure.